So this is an interesting one. What you need to remember is that the mean is the total of a set of numbers divided by the number there are. So here there are 5 numbers, so the total of those 5 numbers, including the one that's missing, divided by 5 equals 2. So the total must be 10. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Now, we've got 1, 4, 1 and 1, so far the total is 7. So in order for the total to be 10, we need a 3 in that box. And that's the answer. Because if you now add those up and divide by 5, you'll get 2. Now the range question, B, the range is the largest number minus the smallest number. Well, if the largest number already is 4, and the others are all 1, the range is already 3. 4 minus 1. So no matter what other number you put in that box, you cannot make it better than 3. You cannot make the range smaller than 3, I should say.